Hi, I'm the math guy, Steve. Let's try solving this equation. So when solving equations like this, notice they both have two of the terms have a e to the some power. And so to solve this equation, let's try using a u substitution. That's what you should do. Okay. Meaning let u be, okay, they both have an e to the 2x kind of, right? And so let's let u equal e to the 2x. Okay. Then we see, okay, well, u squared would equal e to the 2x squared. Okay. Which is just e to the 4x. So the first term is just u squared. Okay. So this will be our sub bubble or our subble. Okay. All right. Okay. This will be our sub bubble. And now this becomes an easier equation to solve. Notice we get u squared plus 5u minus 24 equals 0. And now it's just a quadratic equation. Okay, so to solve quadratic equations, we can complete the square, quadratic formula. This one I think is factorable, right? We can factor this pretty easily. Let's see, it's a 1 in front of these three terms, so 1 in front of the u squared. So we'll set up a double bubble. Okay. U and u, and u and u and u and u. Okay. And then what? Two numbers that multiply can be negative 24. That combine to give me that 5. So let's see, positive 8. And negative 3, I think, works. Okay. So get 0 on one side, factor the other side. Now set each factor equal to 0. Okay. Let's try it. All right. U plus 8 equals 0. Okay. And then u minus 3 equals 0. So u equals negative 8 and u equals positive 3. All right. Okay. Now, again, the x is about x stuff. Okay. This is u stuff. And so now we have to back substitute what u was back into the equation, meaning, okay, we get u is e to the 2x, right? So e to the 2x equals negative 8, and e to the 2x equals 3. And I will solve each of these separately. So how we solve these separately is by first getting rid of so it's e to the power equals a negative number. So we ln both sides. But notice what happens. If I ln the left-hand side, yeah, that'll give us just e to the 2x. But the ln of that right-hand side, that's the ln of something negative. Remember, one of our properties of logs is that the argument to the inside of that log has to be non-negative. So this doesn't give us any solutions here. Okay. Whereas here, if I ln both sides, we get ln of e to the 2x equals the ln of 3. And so, again, the ln and e end up canceling. So we just end up with 2x. 2x equals ln of 3. And so, yeah, x would equal ln of 3 divided by 2. Okay, so that would be our solution to this exponential equation. Okay, so again, the u substitution is kind of a helpful tool sometimes to help us to solve exponential or even logarithmic equations at times. Okay, all right, always remember, math is everywhere.